With the sling label facing outwards, slide the sling fully down the back of the patient. Position the patient's arms on the outside of the sling and close the waist support firmly around the waist. Secure the clunk click buckle and adjust using the webbing strap if supplied. Take each leg section, place down the sides and gently glide fully under each thigh. Ensure that they are not twisted. To connect the leg sections together, thread the tape from the opposite leg section through the loop. This will help prevent the legs from abducting. Attach all tapes to the hoist. Use the appropriate corresponding coloured loops. Slowly take up the tension with the hoist, and as the body naturally thins, retighten the waist support. This will help prevent the sling from riding up. This will not be necessary with the elasticated waist support, as supplied with the CCR 500. If the sling is provided with side retention tapes, adjust to the required position using the adjustable sliding buckle. If you are using the 025C, ensure that the pocket fully encompasses the buttock. Ensure that the leg tapes have been adjusted to the required position using the sliders. Check that all tapes are secure before commencing the transfer. For more information, please visit our website www.silverley.com.